What's up guys, Vern here, Pogiboy Productions. So I'm here in Wisconsin Dells to be exact. It's a place called Buffalo Phil's. This place will serve food on a train and it's going to be delicious. We're gonna try it. There's lots of food here that we can order. I think they specialize in chicken, pizza, and I heard there's a lot of cool stuff in there like Star Wars and Lego and everything else. So it's a wild time. If you have family and kids, this is the perfect place to go. So if you guys want to see more, keep watching. Alright guys, as you probably can tell, I'm already here in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. We're going to be eating here at Buffalo Phil's. Check out this truck that they have. I think this is the one that delivers the pizza, the food. Got a buffalo up there with a wreath on top. Nice little car that delivers your food. This is where you the gift shop at Buffalo Phil's. Sorry, I tweeted. That's a nice shirt. Oh, you get your drinks, the Stormtrooper. They also got an arcade room here, so after you eat, you can go play some video games or win a prize. This place has got it all, I'm telling you. Run the Galaxy by Joe for 75 cents. You have to come back then.
They turned it into all arcades.
It's all Star Wars.
They did not used to do it.
You got more stormtroopers here. That is so cool. It's like the entire Star Wars Legos here. Look at that. This place is wild. They even got some animals up here. This place is nicely done. Big kids' dreams. Alright, let's try the chicken Alfredo pasta.
I need all the cheese. There's still some in the middle, just that you can't see that.
Yeah, no,
It's very creamy.
sauce. That's my one.
Oh, you're right, there's chicken now!
That is incredibly tasty.
I didn't have any water.
I love it. It's soft,
And I ain't touching
the
that.
right amount of texture to the pasta. Pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, there's a train. There it goes. We've got a train up there. This place is full of trains.
When the train comes, let's get the whole train. Nah, you can go on.
There it goes.
Now, this knee hit me. I'm eating my food.
Here comes the train, guys. Look, here comes the train. Woo-hoo.
You're lucky you get to be my
Don't touch it, Nick.
Okay, stop. Now
Okay,
you
good.
We got our own train for all the condiments
There's no
too.
one else.
Yeah, everything's for us. Don't forget the spices.
Is this Parmesan cheese?
Oh, don't forget the plates, guys.
don't forget the plate.
Here's their supreme pizza. It's got everything and anything in it. It's their roasted chicken.
my
One of their
Parmesan
specialties here.
It's my Parmesan.
And French fries. It's pretty good.
You did two of the fries and the fries, one hot or one cold?
Yeah, we just go on.
Ooh, this is hot. Oh, it's a square slice. It's not bad. It's not a New York pizza. You put some hot sauce in it. Gotta use their Buffalo Phil's hot sauce. That's good. It's not bad. This is what they have, this specialty here too. Try it.
look.
Oh, look at that. Bubble!
It's in my water. No, take it.
Oh, the coleslaw, the coleslaw.
No, take the food. It got in the fries. It got in my water and Pepsi. What does she want? Our food being bubble flavored?
Try the roasted chicken. It's a big piece. Ooh.
Kuhain na lang yun. Kuhaan mo. So far.
Good. Yep. Let's try the spicy wing sauce. That's spicy. But it's extremely flavorful. And the chicken is tasty. Got the right seasoning. Oily, juicy. Pretty good. You get a whole chicken too. I'm not sure how much it costs, but thumbs up. This is their fried ice cream, good for 4 people. And inside is vanilla. Cheers. Icy cold goodness, very sweet, lots of sugar spike, but it's good. I'm not going to finish it all. I'm going to share it with the group. But if you want something refreshing, something to end the meal, this will hit the spot. Get the fried ice cream. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. That is Buffalo Phil's here in the Wisconsin Dells. It's a great family restaurant, especially for kids because they love the trains. You see all those Lego sets, how intricate it is. They got Star Wars, and they even got stormtroopers, serving you alcohol. So it's a really nice joint to have food to eat. And the food was okay. I mean, the roasted chicken tasted like a Costco to me, like the ones that you order. And pizza was pretty good, square slices, supreme, and got all the flavors in there. We even got the fried ice cream, which was a treat. I'm telling you, man, it's a kid's paradise in there. I felt like a big kid. We got bubbles coming out of trains. We got trains all over the place too. So if you're ever in the Wisconsin Dells area and you want to try something new, try something different, and you just want to see, like all the cool things that you see as a kid, I felt like it anyway. The Lego and the trains. This is the place to go. The food was pretty good. Prices are decent. So if you're ever in the area in Wisconsin Dells, I do recommend it. Thumbs up from me. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe down below. Ring that bell, get notified of all future videos. Like, comment, and share. Sharing is caring because sharing is important. It will help with the algorithm. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.